I see people spending a lot of money on Advergame campaigns and marketing campaigns and missing out on leads, sales, and customer engagement, all because they didn't practice the fundamentals. So today, in the next 3 minutes, I'd like to go through the 5 fundamentals that I've used with over 9,000 successful campaigns and why they're so critically important. Here we go. Number 1 is offer clear rewards. In-game rewards like bonuses, level up, leaderboards, these sort of things are awesome for the video game itself. However, when it gets really exciting is when your digital score turns into a physical prize. And this is what we did with KFC among thousands of other brands. They were going to be selling an actual product and they made it so on their video game, if you got a certain score, you got a discount on your next purchase. Not only did they end up selling out of this particular product 400% faster than originally anticipated, but they also got hundreds of thousands of customer emails as well. So again, to make sure that your campaign works properly, you need to have clear prizes, ideally prizes that relate to your business. Number 2 is promote via social media. Even the best games in the world like World of Warcraft and Call of Duty and all these other ones still promote their brand across all the major social platforms, and we should do the same. We've found out of over 9,000 campaigns, the most successful, the top 5%, post 2 to 3 times a week across every social media platform. A great example of this was ResMed. They posted twice a week, every week for 6 weeks, and every week for 6 weeks they had an individual weekly winner. And at the very end, they released their major prize and their major winner. Doing things like this can be really helpful to gain that traction, at the same time reset that leaderboard on a weekly basis to keep those customers engaged. Number 3, focus on the experience, not just the leaderboard. We've all played a game before and we thought we were doing really well, until at the very end we finally saw that leaderboard and we weren't even at the top 100. It can be really discouraging. So one of the best things we can do is not just have a leaderboard for all those competitive type personalities, but also give random prizes away to that pool of people just for giving their email. Example of this would be Donut Peppy. They sell donuts, and to encourage people to play, they actually had a very large physical leaderboard outside their store. Every week they would wipe the points off and start all over again. It encouraged people when they drove up to want to get their name on the leaderboard. And how'd you do it? By playing the game, submitting your email address. At the end of their 6-week campaign, they actually increased their email database by over 600%. So if you want to increase your email database to be able to remarket and send them offers and emails at a later stage, games are a great way to do it. Number 4, in-store gamification. There's nothing like walking into a store and seeing a video game to play. And it doesn't need to be an electronics store or a Sony store or anything like that. It can be a donut shop, pizza place, or anything else you can imagine. Having your own video game or your client's video game ready to go from either an iPad or scanning a QR code to play it directly from your phone can really help with waiting times, entertaining young kids if they're waiting for food, and again, ordering something and receiving that email from that client. Number 5 is this, promote it on your website. Nearly 40% of our clients do not have their game on their website. They only promote it socially. However, the top 10% of all successful campaigns we've done over the last 5.5 years have all been people that have had the game on their website, which includes the leaderboards or just little pop-ups, so when people are on their mobile or their computer, they can simply click on it and it brings them to the game to play. It's the fastest way to get emails and the fastest way to get customers coming back. One of the examples we had a client a while back that actually changed up their video game every month. This actually resulted in a lot of time on site, which helps with our Google SEO, as well as returning visitors. Those are my top 5 suggestions to ensure that your next campaign works really well. Now, if you'd like some more advice, jump over to Gamify.com, or if you'd like to test out our new Gizmo tool and create your own very free game like the ones I've shown before, check out Gamify and click on Gizmo for your free trial. Again, if you like this video, give us that sweet thumbs up, we always love it, and subscribe to get monthly emails about gamification and education, business, and video game creation. Until next week, thanks so much for your attention. Bye-bye.